Hey, good Thursday morning, everybody. On our way to the job. It's going to be all about concrete today. And how about a little bit of fog? My goodness, can hardly see anything. Anyway, if you need to learn about concrete, let's go take a look and see what we got. Maybe I can teach you a few things for a perfect driveway or concrete every time. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. We'll see you at the job. Get after it. All right, have a look at that monster right there. Very, very moldy, very dirty. So we're going to pre-treat it first. Mini Mondu, rinse, and post-treat. All right, let's get after it. Steps 1, 2, and 3. Now we're to step 4. Post-treat, this job's done, right? Let's get after it. Alright, now we got it all post-treated. See how nice that driveway looks. When we pulled up, it looked very nasty. Alright, we'll be right back with a review from the customer. Alright, that's going to be a wrap. Let's see what the customer thinks about it. Hey James, what do you think about Super Blast pressure washing?
Super Blast Donovan always does a good job, and that's why I call him back.
There you have it.
Is the man. That's me and him. Who's better looking?
Right from the... I don't know who's better looking. Put it in the comments. Vote on it, all right?
That's a good joke either way.
Well, hello. We're back. Job number 2. It's a dirty one. Now, this is what I mean by post-treat, pre-treat. You see those lines? Those are all surface cleaner marks right there. And the reason why they're there is because they didn't pre-treat it or post-treat it. The line's going all up there. It's not too bad here. But if you pre-treat and post-treat, you're not going to have that. Even 2 years later, you won't have that. It's just crazy what people do. But you know what? That's where I come in, and they lose the work, and I gain a customer. So this is going to be a permanent customer on the list, I'm sure. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to pre-treat it, mini Mondu it, rinse it, post-treat. It should be perfect. All right? I'm going to get the drone out and have it follow me around. A little bit of live stuff going on. Real-time concrete cleaning. All right? Let's get after it. Hey, look what's following me. Look at that drone right there. Is that crazy or what? Alright, so what we're doing is we're pre-treating. Just allows you to loosen up a bit. Oh, the bouncy drone. Alright. Now we're all pre-treated. And there's our friendly little drone. Wanting to get involved in the conversation. See it right there? Awesome little toy to have. All right, let's get after it. right, you can see a night and day difference in this driveway right here. I'm telling you. All right, that's pretty cool. Look at the difference in the driveway here. Look at that. Nasty. Very nasty. This is going to come out really nice. And I hope you enjoyed the drone footage. It's a pretty cool little outfit there. DJI makes the best drone in the world, actually. Kind of why it got banned from the United States. Anyway, let's go ahead and get after the rest of this, and we'll be back for a final review. Hey, let's have a final look at this puppy. Came out wonderful. Homeowner so happy. They hired me back to clean their pool cage and deck, and boy is it a mess. Hasn't been cleaned in 3 years. It's a white deck, and it's as black as that. But my point here is, if you do a good job, you're going to retain the business, and you're going to get a tip. I got a tip. He gave me a $20 tip, and that was very nice of them. But their pool cage is straight through the front door there into their house, so I do have new hose. So we'll go ahead and go right on through there with the new hose hooked up. We'll be perfectly fine. Hey, if it blows up in there, we got insurance, right? All right. Well, enjoy the video. Check the drone footage out. It's cool. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. We'll see you tomorrow. Nice big roof job and a mobile home. Let's get after it.